Do you know what is the smallest and ugliest bird in Singapore? It's so ugly that its beak is even folded in. Well, let's find out about that in our little red jungle. Wow, look, now here's so many plants and animals. Hey, hello. So I was actually on my way to film, and then suddenly my Telegram group chat started to ring up, and it's from a birder chat, and they actually told me that they found this very rare and very small bird that's native to Singapore, and it's actually called a Repap Bird. And so here I am in the west side of Singapore to go find it. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, so as I've mentioned, this bird has a beak that's actually folded in, and its purpose is because, it actually digs underground for worms, and so the beak actually goes into the soil to, basically help to dig out worms. And so, I'm actually trying to either find it on the branches, where sometimes it would roost, or I can find it near the ground where it's actually digging up for worms. Oh, I think I found it. Oh, yes, I found it. It's a Repap bird. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Okay, I mean, if you stayed until the end of this video, or actually if you just scrolled to the end, yeah, happy April Fool's Day. I mean, this is obviously a joke, but just want to say that on the 9th of April, that's when the actual episode will come out, and it's actually about a flower that looks like a human clit